Okay, we've been to a lot of different of the heroes monument that's built up out there in the park. Now we reach Samuel Sharp, yeah? This is Samuel Sharp monument right now. We're in the park. Samuel Sharp, National Hero of Jamaica, March 31, declared March 31, 1982, yeah? This is Samuel Sharp monument right up out here and stuff in it. Very wonderful and looking very great, yeah? As you can see, Samuel Sharp monument. Right, excellent Samuel Sharp right here. This is his monument. No man, I'm not gonna do that man.